Casey got it. Casey got it.
It's that zest, super flow, no, she my flow. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's that zest.
What's up, guys? And we're back with another video. Guys, today we are doing the Guess That Sound Challenge. Before we started, we just want to say, guys, if you're not subscribed to our channel, please do like, share, and subscribe to the channel.
And guys, you don't know us, we're in the same gene family.
Yes, we are.
Alright, guys, so let's get started on this challenge, guys. So, you know, I know I'm going to win this, so let's get to it, man. Guys, you guys got to guess this sound. Here it goes, right here.
A gun.
Nope.
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 Camera, taking pictures.
Nope.
Nope. Nope. Nope. Nope.
Nope.
Nope.
I give up.
Give up.
You suck.
Nope.
Subscribe to the St.
Nope.
Jude's family.
Alright. It's a pump sound.
A what?
Pump. A pump sound.
Pump?
Pump, like a pump.
Like a pumping sound?
Yes. Pump. Cartoon pump sound. Yeah, you guys hear the sound every day. Here it goes. Let's get it. Casey got it. Casey got it. Casey got it. Casey got it. A little bit challenging, so I hope you guys can get this one. So let's see, you guys can get it. So let's get it, guys.
Okay. Bring it on, baby.
Almost got it. No, there's no flavor, but what is it? What is it that you're actually hearing?
Well, ice floats in the cup, and I grab it up. I can't pour it out?
Nope.
I can't stir it up in the cup.
You got it, Junior. Ice cube getting stirred in a glass. You got it, big boy. You got it. You got it. Yeah, guys, so we just realized that they didn't really have to have their blindfold on, so we're gonna go ahead and get to the other one. All right, so guys, let's see if you guys can get this one. Let's see if since you guys been doing a great job, let's see if you guys can get it. So who think y'all gonna get this one? All right, let's say this one is kind of challenging. Let's see if y'all get it. All right, let's get this. Nope.
It's a wheel and a fortune thing. What a fortune thing.
Somewhat.
You know that thing that it's a wheel. It's a wheel spinning. It's a fortune thing spinning.
It's a spin prize wheel.
I think the same thing.
Hi, Casey.
Let's get it, guys. You guys ready? Yeah. All right, guys. Let's guess what this one is then. What? What is it, Casey? Casey got it. Leah got it. You got it. All right. That was too easy, huh? Have to step it up, man. I bet you guys don't get this one. Let's get it. Come on. Let's see. Nope. 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 Y'all really not gonna get this one. Nope. Close to it though. You got it, Leah. You got half a point, Leah. But nope. 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 Meat, yep.
I said meat.
Nope.
Pork.
Close to it.
Pork.
You suck!
Pork.
It's something.
Turkey. Bacon.
You got it. Bacon. You got it. Fried bacon. Fried bacon, though. You gotta hit it right on the spot.
Bacon fry.
All right.
So it's Mommy's turn, and I don't think Daddy did such a great job. Anyways, I'm gonna do my part. So the first item is this. You guys know it. So my turn. So guys, listen up.
All right.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Casey won.
That's not a
Second item. Can you see it?
No.
Alright, ready for the sound?
Yeah.
Sprinkle.
How do you know? You're looking at me, girl. Let me
Casey
see
is a cheater. Casey is a cheater. Casey is a
You see them, guys. This one's gonna be a hard one. I don't know if you guys can see the things in there. Let me see. You see it? This is part of Mommy stash of stuff. So, guys, ready? Can you hear it?
Yeah. What the hell is that?
Is that sprinkles? No.
Nope.
Is that spices? No.
Nope.
That's something dealing with cooking, though.
Nope.
Nope.
No.
Nope.
Nope.
That's time for washing.
No.
Nope.
No food, no washing. No.
Nope.
Not a clip, not a hair, no, none of that.
You gotta give it a hint.
I use it when I want to fix something.
Tap.
No. No. I use it on clothes. No. I use it to fix things.
Oh, needles.
Needles, got it.
Anything that tender
You guys, it's needles.
Anything that tender containers, huh?
Yeah. You see, guys, it's needles. This is what they're getting, guys. See it? Boom, boom. Ready?
What is it?
Leah got it.
Alright.
Okay, guys, so this is my next item. Can you see it? Boom. Alright, ready?
Let's get it.
Pot! You guys got it right.
Who got it?
Casey and Leah.
Is it easier if even if people see? You know? Oh, it broke. You broke.
What?
The balloon!
Yeah, got it. Yeah, got it.
The balloon?
I had to get this simple thing right here. I want you to get it.
Milk. Milk.
Casey and Leah. Casey and Leah. I think Leah cheated.
Leah, you guys need to stop cheating.
I think you got the cheating. I mean, the little stuff fit them right here. You know? No, you cheated. That's not fair. You cheated. You cheated. It's fair. The little tricky fit them. That should be used to this sound, but
That's a dog tag.
nope.
That's a phone.
That's a pig. That's a pig.
Yeah, the pick.
I got this one. My first one. Yeah, baby. Yeah.
This one might be easy for mommy, cause you deal with this every day.
That's a spoon in a cup.
Nope.
Come on, dude, stop hitting me.
That's a spoon in a cup, man.
No.
Bang in a cup of glass.
I don't know what's that, y'all.
You know what,
I did, please.
Oh, maybe it's my stuff, my thing, like my balls thing, the pot. Oh Lord.
Did you get it? What's going on?
I know what she's saying, yeah.
It's my okay, Gina, hold on.
You want, I'm gonna give it to you because you got it.
Yeah, that's it. That's my little glass pedals.
Yes,
My
yes.
glass pedals that I use in my bass. That's what it is. Yes.
Man, I would have never got that, man.
Okay, guys. So that's the end of our video.
Yep,
And as always, we would like to tell you, as we always tell you, if you're not putting God first, you're not winning. Peace, love, and God bless.
Peace. Bye-bye. Like it. Again.
Remember, guys, like, share,